Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. There are also many quick and delicious Chinese dishes with simple steps. Like today's recipe, Enoki mushrooms with sauce. It's a vegetarian dish. For office workers and people who don't have time to cook, this dish is a good meal served with rice. Let's get started. Prepare 420 grams of Enoki mushrooms. Cut off the roots. 20 grams of green onions, minced. Tear the Enoki mushrooms open with your hands. And wash them clean. Put them in a steamer. And steam it for 5 minutes after the water boils. There is no need to steam it for too long here. There seemed to be a lot of Enoki mushrooms before steaming, but they became less after steaming. Pour in 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Top with chopped green onions. Heat 3 tablespoons oil to 220 degrees or above. If you think olive oil is healthier, you can use olive oil instead. Drizzle hot oil on the chopped green onions. Mix well with chopsticks. Delicious Enoki mushrooms with sauce are ready. The smooth Enoki mushrooms with the aroma of green onions are the best accompaniment to rice. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.